Hey everyone, I am so excited to show you the Joe SPX3500 Power Washer. It's maximum power with minimum water usage. I love this power washer because I clean my decks, I clean the mold on the siding, I clean walkways, I even clean my car. I clean the stalls in my barn. I could use it on so many things. Dirt and grime do not even stand a chance with this super powerful 2300 PSI pressure washer that uses only 1.48 gallons per minute of water. That is way less than your standard garden hose. That's why Joe always says they clean smarter, not harder. This pressure washer is packed with so much technology because we use a brushless induction motor, which means it's designed to last longer, run higher, but it's quieter and cooler than most traditional universal motors. One of the features I love about this Joe pressure washer is our onboard detergent tank, which holds over 40 fluid ounces of detergent. We also have this dial, which allows you to dial just the right amount of soap for your task at hand. So whether it's cleaning your windows, or cleaning your car, or even cleaning the siding on your home. Another great feature of the Joe pressure washer is the exclusive total stop system technology, which automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged. Not only does it save you energy, but it also prolongs the life of your pump, so you can feel confident that you'll have your Joe for years and years to come. We give you the ability to tackle any job around your home with our 5 quick connect spray tips. 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and a specialized soap tip. This will allow you to tackle light, medium to heavy duty cleaning tasks, from a punishing pinpoint jet to a powerful fan spray. The other thing you'll notice about this Joe pressure washer is it has a sleek, rugged exterior and enhanced stability, meaning you can take it around any terrain at your home. And it takes less than 5 minutes to assemble, so you can be out and about making your home more beautiful in no time.